9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire!
Hi, welcome to Space Camp TV. I'm your host, Mia Allen, and we're at the U.S. Space and Rocket Center in Huntsville, Alabama. This place is home to Space Camp. There's such cool experiments and rockets. You might even see some real astronauts. You'll be following me for the next few weeks while we go around the Space Center. Come on. I'm about to go do some experiments with Mr. Jason, or his call sign Waddles. Come on, I'm making some slime or some kind of super ball. Follow me.
All right, so we are on the Rising Star, which is a lunar module, which is a space station that is on the moon. Okay, it's just like the International Space Station, but if we plan on living on the moon, we're going to have these to help do scientific experiments. Today, we're going to do a chemistry experiment making a polymer.
We need to have 20 millimeters of sodium silicate.
Sodium silicate, okay, so that's that big one right here. All right.
20 millimeters.
20 milliliters. So I can hold it, and I can tell you when you get to 20, okay?
Okay.
Slow and steady. Just about right there. Good job. All right, I'll set that right there. That way you can pour it in there. And then what would be the next thing we need?
Now we need 10 millimeters of isopropyl.
Isopropyl alcohol, that's right. Okay, so that's this little ball
cool.
that's right here. Okay, so we need 10, correct?
10, yeah.
All right, so I'll hold it again. And whoa, there's a little too much. Let's pour some of it back in, okay?
Okay.
We don't want to make a super ball, do we?
No.
Okay, so go ahead and pour that in and then start stirring again, okay?
Okay. I can see it's already changing.
All right, so what do you notice?
It's getting thicker.
All right, so let's keep stirring. Now, does it kind of look like slime time right now?
Yeah.
All right, but do you notice anything different?
It's not slimy.
It's not slimy, okay? So it's starting to harden. All right, so
Yep.
keep stirring. Try to get all the chemicals mixed together. And then what we'll do is we'll take it out and we'll try to form it into a ball, okay? And then we'll test it out.
Okay.
All right, try to get it all in there. There you go. All right. Kind of knead it into a ball. There you go. Good. All right.
Whoa, it looks like a bouncy ball.
It does. Now, what shape does that look like?
A circle?
Circle or a sphere, right?
Right.
Okay. Do you think you can make it into just about any shape?
Probably.
Okay. So let's test it out. Let's see what you got. Whoa.
Whoa.
There you go. Try it one more time. There you go. Now, what do you think you could use that for?
Also like a glue.
Like a glue? Okay. So, but it's a little bit harder so it can protect a little bit more, right?
Yep. This week's questions come from Maggie Kramer from Springfield Middle School. She asks, how long can an astronaut stay in space?
Well, that's a very good question. Scott Kelly actually just came back from the International Space Station by staying up there for an entire year. The reason why is because he was testing out how long we can stay in space, because when we're going to Mars, we're actually going to have to take 9 months to get there. So we got to stay up there for a very long time.
Congratulations, Maggie. Your question won you 4 passes to the U.S. Space and Rocket Center in Huntsville, Alabama. If you want to ask a questions, send them to us on our email address on the bottom of the screen. And also come to our Facebook page. I'm so excited. I'm about to go into a simulator that simulates like I'm actually going to the moon and back. And you can see what I'm seeing with these cool glasses. The moon. I'm about to go through the Orion simulator, which simulates going to the moon and coming back.
I'm sorry, to get ready for our flight, we have a bunch of pre-flight checklists that we have to go through, so we need to find our panels and switches, okay?
Okay.
Flight director, we are ready to roll.
We are at T-minus 130.
Roger that, pilot.
Roger.
Roger.
At this time, the crew of Orion is finalizing all preparations for their journey to the moon's surface.
2, 1. Roger.
So today what we're going to do is we're going to do one last experiment. We're going to get on the lunar G-wall and you're going to experience what it's like to have 1/6 the gravity. Okay?
Whoa.
So if you weighed 120 pounds here on Earth, you would actually weigh 20 pounds there on the moon. Okay?
Ooh.
So what we're going to do is we're going to put you in this lunar G-wall chair. Okay? You're going to do the experiment of doing solar arrays and building them. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so let me go ahead and get this unstrapped so you can get in. All right, have a seat. Okay? There you go. What I need you to do is, if you would please pick your feet up, okay, and try to hold them out so you can get all of your weight on this chair, okay?
So like this?
Yes. Okay. So what's happening right now is we actually have a tank that's filling up with water, and this water is going to counterbalance your weight.
Oh, that's cool.
So teacup's ready to go. All right, you ready?
Ready.
All right, 1/6 gravity, okay?
Woo!
All right, so grab onto the wall. There you go.
Oh.
Good. All right, so now we're going to build a solar array. So y'all go ahead and practice building a solar array.
Oh my gosh. Don't float away, folks. Space Camp TV will be right back.